Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, we'll be learning this simple headband. It can be used as a uniform for bridesmaids. Without taking your time, let's move straight to the training. So actually this project, I'll be using this yori material. It's a shiny fabric. One side is stretchy. The length measures 14.5 inches by 2.5 inches width. Alright, I folded this way and I had to measure 3 inches. I'll mark 3 inches on this side. Also mark 3 inches on this other side. I know some of you will be thinking, what am I using this piece to do? Yes, I'll use it to cover my Alice band. Okay, so I also mark half inch here, half inch. Then I also mark half inch on this other side. So I'm done doing that. I'll be using my scissors to cut out. Okay, I'll cut out from this point to the other point. This will give me the shape of that Alice band, which I will use this fabric to cover up. Okay, so after doing this, after cutting out the part you marked out, this is the outcome when you open it up. Can you see the way it looks? Yes, this is the front part and this is the back side. So this is the Alice band I'll be covering up, and this Alice band, the top part measures 1 inch, just 1 inch. So I'll be using this to cover it up. Okay, so I'll fold this way, I'll fold it this way, making the wrong side to face you, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew down. Okay, so this outcome, you can see the way it looks, guys. So once I'm done doing that, you can see this point, this particular side, I left it open. I didn't sew it up. I don't know if you can see it. I just left this small part open. There's a reason for that. So I'll be using my pin, my safety pin, to do my turn up. Because the part I sew is quite small, I'll be using this safety pin to do the turn up. So this is the outcome of the part I did the turnout, and I'll be inserting this Alice band from this hole, that part that I left open. I'll be inserting it from this hole. Okay guys, just watch closely, you understand every step that I take. I won't be talking much in this tutorial. At this point, guys, you can see the outcome. Yes, and something is remaining. I'll be attaching this elastic band to it. I won't be showing how to do the attachment here because I've already shared how to do the attachment on my channel. Watch this particular video, okay, to give you a guide on how to do that. So this is the final outlook of the headband. So let's move over to the top design. So I'll be using this love fabric, and it measures 58 inches length. This is 58 inches length by 2.2 inches width. Okay, I'm going to fold it this way, making the wrong side to face you, and you will sew down. Once I'm done sewing, we'll be doing the turnout again, and I'll be inserting a crinoline inside it. This is 1 inch crinoline, 1 inch crinoline. So I'm using my masking tape to hold the edge so it won't pull out the fabric while inserting it. It will make the fabric to be rough. That's why I'm safeguarding the mouth with a masking tape. Then after doing this, I also use my pin to make it pass through the fabric. Alright, so once I'm done doing that, I will now use my measuring tape and cut 20 inches. That's the first one I'll be cutting out. Okay, I'll cut out 20 inches from this long fabric. Remember, the length of this long fabric is 58 inches. I'll first of all use my scissors to cut out 20 inches. Then I will divide the remaining one. Just watch and see the way I complete the design. So once I'm done with the loop design, set that aside. This is veil net. What I did here was I used 1 yard of veil net. I divided it into 3. I picked 1 yard of veil net and I cut it into 3 pieces. That's how I got 12 inches length. So I'll plait it down to get that design before attaching it to my headband. So guys, after tacking, you can still use your glue gun to gum this particular point. Then you hold it down. Please also hold down the crinoline, the longest part that lies on top of that headband. So I'm using this applique to design the headband, and we've come to the end of this training. Thanks for staying up to this time. Love you all. See you next time.